Today I'm going to show you how to secure a solar shower onto a concrete paver. Then I'll show you how to secure the paver onto the ground near a swimming pool. Here's what the final product will look like. Very professional looking. Step 1 is to select a location that gets a lot of direct sunshine. Next, you need to level and compact the ground. Now it's time to mark the holes. First, you need to set the base of the shower in the exact location it will be mounted. Then, using a Sharpie, carefully mark the hole locations on the paver. Selecting the correct size masonry drill bit is critical. For a 1/2 inch diameter wedge anchor bolt, a 15-30 inch drill is perfect. The depth of the hole should be drilled so the top of the wedge anchor base is flush with the concrete. To compensate for the V shape at the tip of the drill bit, the hole should be 3/16 inch deeper. Drilling the hole too deep is better than too shallow. Now we're going to mark the drill depth. I use a Sharpie to draw a line directly onto the drill bit. Another option is wrap a piece of masking tape around the drill. Now you're going to drill the hole. Keep the drill as level as you can. You don't want the bolt to go in crooked. This process produces a lot of concrete dust. You'll need to keep blowing the dust away. Once the hole is drilled, either blow out the dust, tip the paver upside down, or vacuum out the dust. Now it's time to install the 1/2 inch diameter wedge anchor bolts. Start by screwing the bolt into the anchor. Then place the wedge anchor into the top of the hole and start hammering onto the top of the bolt. Keep going until the top of the wedge anchor base is level with the concrete surface. Now, before you attach the solar shower base to the concrete paver, it's important that you tighten the bolt and expand the wedge anchor. You want to make sure it's holding properly. You should only need the one washer that comes with the solar shower, but if you didn't hammer the wedge anchor bolt down far enough, you may need to add some additional washers to secure the base down firmly. Don't over-tighten. You could strip the head off the bolt. Now it's time to secure the concrete paver to the ground. I use 12-inch long L-anchor bolts. You could also use L-shaped rebar that they sell at Home Depot for a few dollars. I'm using a sledgehammer just in case the ground is really hard. In most cases, you could use a small to medium-size hammer. It just might take you a little longer. If you want the paver and solar shower to be really secure, I would use 8L bolts, 2 bolts on each edge. Here is the final product. The homeowners were very happy with my installation, and I feel comfortable knowing that it's nice and secure.